Yes, you saw the highlights. You saw the headlines. We're doing an F1 unboxing today. I'm just getting that other F1 cars all set up here. The one on the left is the main line from 2024. The one on the right is something special. I've had a hard time figuring out what it's from. It says 76 on it. But on the bottom it says 1975. So I'm not sure if that's referring to the 76 when it came out. But it also says Mattel France. If you want to actually see that. There, you can pause and see that. It's an F1 car of the ages, I believe, the time. The only thing that's different about this makes it like still ooh-ah for me, right, ooh-ah, is those rubber tires. You see that? These aren't premiums, but they're still plastic, right? But they still have these rubber wheels on the back. You can kind of see I messed that one up. So I don't know what this set was even from or where this comes from, but it's a pretty sick ass old F1 car. And this one on the bottom, it just says from the F1 collection. It doesn't actually say what car it's from. This one, if you recognize the sponsors on it, it's actually the Williams car. And so these are the 24 cars. I don't know if this is a 25 car itself, but this was the 24 casting the year it came out. And so like the video said, we got this in the background. Wonder if it's gonna stay focused on that car or not. What do we got? Just like a freaking Muppet puppet back here. What do we got today, kids, boys, and girls? That's right, we got Lando's car. So we're gonna take that out and compare it to the main line. Should be pretty good. These wheels are trash. And see if it even fits in a case or if it has to be put somewhere else. So let's take a look. This one on top, upside down, says 2025. They have some of the 26s out even already, I believe. This looks really cool. This is too big to fit in a protector, but that's fine. I was going to get both of them and sell them, but it turns out in my area there's a zillion of these McLaren ones and Lando ones specifically. So I'm just going to open it because people just want retail for it and I want at least double for that. So of course there's no Red Bulls or Mercedes or anything but these ones. So here we go. I don't know if I'm going to keep this card or not. No. I just ripped the picture right off of it. Keep that part. Okay. There's that. Card with nothing on it. On the back, it just says, I'm going to bend this card. It just says number 4. That's Lando's number. 81 is Oscar, and I was going to get both of them and sell it as a set, but like I said, they're not going that hot in my area. So I just did. Oh, wow. This is nice. Okay. Wow, imagine getting the friggin' Max Verstappen one of these. I can see why they're going for so much money. I'm a Max fan, and oof, after seeing this in person, it gets me excited. Let's just look at this. Is this too close? Can you imagine getting the Red Bull, Oracle Red Bull on this one? Number 33. Wow, this looks cool. It's like tilted on the slant right here. So it just automatically gives you that tilt, right? This is so cool. These weren't that much more than a regular premium either. Okay, there's a actually good example I'm noticing right now. Is the body of the teardrops in these 25s. Is a lot different than this one from 24. Could be actually just the team's car too, actually. I'm not familiar with the cars. So it could just be the team's car even. But they do look very different. And you sport when all the cars look exactly the same. That's sick. I don't know if I should take this off. So this is better than I expected, actually. I don't know what I was expecting. I think I was expecting more of this and not this. I think Hot Wheels nailed it on this one. How do I get this out of here? I guess you gotta get a screwdriver. Let's pause this. I'm gonna go get a screwdriver.